Ma'am, last na lang, hindi pa official pero reaction nyo lang kila Sen Bam, Kiko, Sen Leila, tsaka kay Atty. Shell.
Euphoric. Euphoric talaga yung pakiramdam, yung saya, parang hindi makapaniwala. Kasi because of the surveys, minamanage namin yung expectations. So sa amin, masaya na makapasok yung dalawa sa top 12. Pero yung ranking nila was so much more than we expected. So ito, parang assurance that the movement is strong. Na hindi nawalan ng tao ang tao ng pag-asa after the 2022 na battle. Very uplifting. Very uplifting not just for myself, but for the entire movement. Kasi maraming nawawalan ng pag-asa eh. Pero yung strong showing ni Bam sa Kiko, pati na din ng party list. Yung number 1 yung Akbayan, yung ML na hindi inaasahan makapasok, nakakuha ng 1 seat. Assurance ito na yung tao naghahanap pa din ng maayos na mga leaders.